Monarch butterflies with orange, black, and white patterned wing features are one of the most familiar butterflies in Northern America. These monarchs embark on a marvelous journey between the distance of 1,200 to 2,800 miles from northern US and Canada all the way down to the mountains of California and Mexico. In the recent years, scientists have documented a 90% drop in the overwintering population of the monarchs and about 50% decline in the western monarch population. The declines are so severe that biologists have petitioned the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service to list the monarch as a threatened species under the U.S. Endangered Species Act. According to the Center for Biological Diversity, the 2016 monarch count showed that over the past 22 years, these butterflies declined by 68%. The population is evaluated by measuring the number of hectares occupied by monarch butterflies in their overwintering habitat in Mexico. This year, there were an estimated 109 million monarchs occupying about 2.91 hectares, that is 7.2 acres, down from 150 million last year, covering 4.01 hectares, which is 9.9 acres. So why are these monarchs important? More than its visual appeal, the monarchs contribute a great deal to the health of our planet. While doing its regular feeding on nectars, they also pollinate many wildflowers. The process of pollination is not only important for the environment, but equally for us as well, since it leads to the production of fruits and vegetables that we can eat. Not only does it help with pollination, these monarchs are also an important source of food for the birds, small animals, and other insects. By causing a change or decline in the population of these monarchs, we are also causing a disturbance in the ecological cycle of life, hence disrupting the ecology. So what is causing a decline in the population of these monarchs? The decline in milkweed plants caused by genetically modified herbicide-resistant crop is declining population of these butterflies. These are the only plants that the monarchs use to lay their eggs on. Again, the change in the climate is also a major threat to these butterflies since it disrupts its annual migration pattern. These butterflies are sensitive to colder, wetter winters and hotter, drier summers. This change in climate could shift their suitable habitat more towards the north and makes it harder for the butterflies to survive. These are not the only causes of the decline in monarch population, but the human activities around the wintering ground is also affecting these monarchs. A disturbance of a small butterfly's population may not seem like it's important, but when we disrupt the food chain from the bottom, the whole system will fail. The food that we get on our table has traveled from far and wide, and these small butterflies have played a major role in growing the food that we eat. I hope through this video you were able to understand the importance and the impact of human behavior on the natural environment. We can still restore the population of these monarchs, but it will take more than just the scientific field. It will require all of us to work together to protect its wintering grounds and restore its habitat before we can fight the bigger battle of climate change.